Hello guys, good day sa inyo at today sa episode natin ay magbubukas tayo ng 100 Biosuit tickets and then tatry natin i-fuse siya. Malas ba o swerte? Tignan natin and bubukas din tayo ng 1 ticket ng Epic free rover na nakuha natin dun sa pre-registration. Kung hindi ka nag-pre-register, um, that's okay, okay? Pwede ka naman makahabol, Epic rovers will be common naman sa future at saka may advantage lang naman siya sa beginning. Pero eventually, you will unlock more rovers in the future. Okay, so without further ado, start na tayo. Mag-umpisa tayo dun sa 100 pieces ng um, Biosuit Summon. Tingnan natin kung swertein tayo. Um, Biosuit Summon. Here we go. Okay, so we have common Biosuit Summon ticket 3. Okay, ano ba ang probability nito? Probability nito 80% common Biosuits, 19% almost 20% ng uncommon, and 0.2% ng rare at saka ang epic niya at 0.02%. Tingnan natin kung swerte tayo. Sana makakuha na agad tayo ng epic. Then, use 11 muna. Okay, here we go. 11. Confirm. Okay, wala akong nakikita po kang mga puro common lang. Check all. Okay, so we got 3 uncommon and then 8 pieces of common. Then next, reuse tayo. Check all. So this time we got only 1 uncommon and then we have 10 common. Next. Uy! Very nice. Mukhang may rare tayo. Tingnan natin. Check all. Uy! HP regeneration. Ay, wow! Is this epic? Technician. No, this is just rare. Okay. Still, that's good. We got a rare one. Okay, so I check all. Okay, kita nyo may sa collection natin tumataas din naman yung combat power natin. So we got 2 uncommon and 9 common. Next, check all. Okay, this time puro common. That's okay. Next, check all. Okay, so we have 3 uncommon and then 7 common. We continue. Okay, so we have 4 uncommon and 7 common. Next, check all. Okay, so we got 3 uncommon and then 7 common. Check all. Ganda, no? Tumataas din yung combat power. So we have 2 uncommon and then 9 common. And then isa na lang natira. Buksan na natin yan. Check all. Okay. So, yun. Meron tayong mga bagong Biosuit. So, meron tayong rare Biosuit. Saan ba yung mga pangalan? Blessing Engineer. Okay, so force type siya. Technician. Unfortunately, hindi tayo nag-ipon ng force. So, hindi natin siya magagamit. Pero good naman siya for collection. Kasi meron naman tayong collection stats dito. So, as you can see, the more you collect rare, meron na tayong 7. Meron tayong mga artifacts. For uncommon, ganun din pag nakolekta natin siya. So, Okay, so mamaya mag-fuse tayo. Bukas naman tayo ng Epic Rover ticket. Okay. So this is my second Epic. Wait. It's actually my first Epic Rover. Kasi yung free na nakuha sa quest ay rare lang. So let's use it. Result is... Oh, very nice. It's Flora. Okay, pare-parehas kaya nakuha ng mga tao. Okay, so let's use that. Punta tayo sa rover. Swap launcher effect plus 24 attack. Nice! Let's swap that. Okay, so tumaas tayo ng 1,000 combat power dahil lang sa isang epic na rover. Oh my god. Okay, so we also have achievements. Okay, progression, each character claim. Okay, so meron tayo ditong rare rover summon. Bubuksan na rin natin yan today. Okay, so ang next na epic biosuit natin ay nandun pa sa level 60. I'm very excited for that. Okay, so siguro by level 60, doon na ako magde-decide kung ano ba talaga yung magiging character ko. Or kung swertihin, kung magkaroon tayo ng chance na makapagbukas ng mga biosuit tickets at magkaroon tayo ng legendary, sana makakuha tayo ng enforcer kasi gusto ko talagang maging tank. Okay, so let's open the rare one. Here we go. Rare rover. Result. Okay, so meron tayong isang rare rover na nagpataas ng combat power natin. Nice. Yes, meron pa tayo ditong apat. Hindi natin bubuksan yan kasi hindi naman tayo mag-fuse ng rover. So today we are going to fuse biosuits. Pero nakalimutan ko. Nga pala sa shop, pwede kayo ditong bumili ng using credit yung mga rover at saka biosuits. So dagdagan na natin yung mga i-combine nating biosuit. Bukas lang tayo. All okay. All okay. All okay. And then level 60 pa yung next. Sa rover, sige, bukas na tayo ng rover. Okay, all okay. All okay. Okay, all okay, nice, uncommon. Okay, so now let's fuse biosuits. Okay, so fuse tayo ng biosuits. Guys, may tanong pala ako sa inyo. Pag nagpo-fuse kayo ng biosuit, auto-fuse ba ang ginagamit ninyo? Hindi ko alam kung mas mataas. Tingnan natin. Auto-select. Doon muna tayo sa common. So, meron tayo ditong 11 fuse probability natin ay 30% for uncommon. Okay, so medyo mataas naman. At least 30%. Siguro makakuha tayo ng 3 or 4 uncommon biosuits. Let's go. Fuse 11 times. Let's go! Okay, so tama nga yung probability. Nakakuha tayo ng 3 uncommon. 3 to 4 kasi 30%. Okay. So, claim natin sila. Okay, so auto-select tayo ng common. May 11 ulit tayo. Fuse! Let's go! Okay, dalawa lang, uncommon, 30%. Alright. Okay, so last 3. Fuse. Okay, nakakuha naman tayo ng isa pang uncommon. Fuse natin siya mamaya. Wala na tayong mga auto-select dito kasi for fusing, we need 4 of the same rarity. So this is common, 3 na lang siya. For uncommon, we were able to get 1, okay, mailan din. Okay, so auto-select. Yan tayong 3. Probability natin ay 21% na lang for rare. Oh no! Okay, let's see. Okay, fuse tayo ng 3 times, 20% ng sa 3 times. Ang probability na makakuha tayo ng rare nasa around around 5% lang. Okay, so tingnan natin. Ako, wish me luck. Nice! Nakakuha tayo ng isang rare, at least for collection. Then click natin to, claim natin siya. Yay! May collection bonus tayo. So, meron pa tayong 4 na natitira. Nice! Auto select. 20%. Hindi na ako umaasa. Kasi napansin ko yung probability dito sa RF Online Next. Sabihin sa'yo 50%, pero minsan yung 50% hindi pa kumakagat. So, let's see. 20%. Yeah, I knew it. Okay, so let's go. For collection stats, we have another rare, so we were able to unlock critical hit rate. Alright, so that's it. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung mga ganitong klase ng video for free to play, please click like and subscribe. Kung may time kayo, i-share to sa kaibigan ninyo na nag-RF Online Next 10. Go for it. Salamat guys. Thank you.